Welcome to the in front of me Xiaomi POCO M3 Pro, and I'll show you how to disable quick launch on this device. For example, right now by double press to the power key button here on the right side of my phone, I can launch the camera application. And if you want to disable this option, just unlock our device. And now you should go to the settings and scroll down to the additional settings. Here we'll see the button shortcuts tab there, and now we got here the functional shortcuts. Just go with the first one, and here we got the double press the power button, and we can launch the camera, and we can just disable this quick launch by switch this to the none. And now we'll try. Yes, can you see I just locked my device when I pressed twice on my power button. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.